Ahmed, we just summoned Leatherface.
How do we bring him back in, guys?
You got to the Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Sucks 5 times, man.
Since I was a kid, guys, I always knew that Leatherface was gonna come to my house, guys, and now he's at our house. I mean, fucking Christ.
1,000 likes, guys. Make sure to check out Ahmed's channel. He's the man. We can't even see. We can't even see you. We can't even see.
How are we gonna find Leatherface?
What? We gotta look for chainsaw. We gotta look for clues, man.
Okay, you hold it. Let's keep talking.
Where's Jay Hills? He was supposed. Oh my freaking god, guys! No way! Jay Hills is blood.
Oh, look at me. Let me go, guys.
I can't. Where are your legs? Oh my god! Oh my freaking god, guys! 50,000 likes, guys! Wait. Oh my freaking god, guys. This is absolutely crazy, guys. I'm gonna try to hide in the washroom, guys. Oh my freaking god, guys. Oh, Leatherface! Guys, I locked the door. Oh no. Leatherface! The Texas Chainsaw Massacre sucks! The Texas Chainsaw Massacre sucks! Oh my freaking god, guys! I just knocked down Leatherface, guys! 50,000 likes and I'll unmask him! What? Guys, I'm gonna get the hell out of here. I'm gonna call the cops! Okay, guys. Guys, hopefully Leatherface doesn't see us, guys.
If you don't call the cops, then I will kill you.
Guys! Leatherface! Wait, Leatherface, stop, Leatherface! Leatherface, man! Oh my freaking god, guys! Oh my god! Yo, Leatherface, man! I got your tie. No, I'm gonna lead him with it. I'm gonna lead Leatherface with this. You know what? I don't really care, man. I got the hell out of here. We savages. Guys, I'm gonna hide in this spot right here. Hopefully Leatherface doesn't see us, guys. This guy's absolutely insane, guys. Yeah. You want to test this out, guys? It's absolutely crazy. So, yeah. Remember, if you don't like and subscribe, Leatherface will chop your parents' face off. He will kill your parents. He will slaughter them. He will paint the walls with your parents' blood, guys. Your grandpa won't have a face anymore. Your grandpa's face will be on Leatherface's face, guys. If you don't like and subscribe right now, guys. Oh my freaking god, guys. Okay, guys. Oh, I was talking too loudly. Leatherface in here, guys. Guys, I'm pretty sure I'm okay in this spot, guys. Hopefully Leatherface. Guys, I'm gonna go over there, maybe Leatherface doesn't see us, guys. I have to go look for a weapon, guys. You know what? I have a plan. Okay, guys, just cut the video a little bit. I just got a plan. I just made a graveyard, and I'm gonna pretend that it's Leatherface's mom, guys. Leatherface's mother, guys. She is dead, guys. Her mother died. It's gonna be up to the same, guys. I know you asked, right? Okay, hopefully Leatherface doesn't see us. You Leatherface, will you kill everybody who doesn't like and subscribe?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, guys, you will kill everyone. No, Leatherface, I have your mother's corpse. Leatherface. Baba.
Put your fucking fingers in.
It's right here. Oh my freaking god, guys. I don't see it. It's not in the video. The corpse, they're down there. Oh yeah, no.
Put the camera down.
Guys.
Can I go feel her? I put the taser in and you cut her hair off. No! Mother, no!
Alright, guys.
Cut my hair off.
Leatherface! Wait. Oh my freaking god, guys! We just got Leatherface's head, guys! Oh my god, guys!
Unmasked.
We unmasked Leatherface.
Okay, guys, I'm not sure. No!
The Texas Chainsaw Massacre sucks. 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 Guys, oh my gosh, guys. No, Leatherface, attack me. Ah! Guys, this was insane, guys. Do not summon Leatherface at 3 a.m., guys. That's because we saved. Let's try to get 50,000 likes. We might save Ahmed, guys. Ahmed. See you in the next one. Peace.